Hey guys, it's Patricia again. It is still Wednesday. It is still really hot. In fact, I think it is way hotter even right now than it was about an hour ago when I was live. I'm outside on one of our new Braunfels lots. We were heading back to San Antonio from Kyle, and we passed exit 195, which is where one of our new Braunfels lots is. And we're now at exit 191, which is just south of Buc-ee's on I-35. And I stopped in because we've just gotten some pool deliveries in, and there's a few pools out here on the lot that are here for a very short while before they go out and get installed in someone's yard. But I thought I'd give you guys just a little peek at a few of them. All right, so I am actually standing here. This is our Cancun Deluxe. It is made by Latham, and this is a 16 by 35, a really good sized pool. And as you can see, it's got the built-in spa. And guys, this is a really good sized spa on this one. So really nice curvy design. The Cancun Deluxe, 16 by 35. And as you can see, it's just a beautiful pool. Lots of curves, lots of seat benches, the spa, and this really nice tanning ledge, splash pad, whatever you want to call it, right up here in the front. Let's see what else we've got in too. So it looks like I am coming up on a Laguna Deluxe. This is also one that has a built-in spa. It's a little bit smaller. This is a 14 by 30. So again, really nice curvy design. Built-in seat benches, built-in splash pad, a little deeper on the splash pad on this one, and your built-in spa as well. This is also another pool that is made by Latham. Looks like up on the top I've got a Bermuda I can't quite get to. That is a 12 by 26. And then check out this one. This is gigantic, guys. This looks like it might be a Caribbean. I'm gonna have to check, which is 16 by 40. Really big pool. This is going to get a lot of use by someone when it is installed. There is so much swim space here. In fact, I think I have another Bermuda. I do. Walk right along here that I can give you guys a little peek into so y'all can see multiple size pools. So obviously that first pool, obviously this one I'm next to, those would be considered large pools at 16 foot wide and either 35 or 40 feet deep. 40 feet long. Your Laguna Deluxe, which was the middle one we went to, is a 14 by 30. That would be considered medium. And then this one here, a Bermuda, 12 by 26. This is what we would categorize as a small pool. So 12 foot wide, small, 14 foot wide, medium, and then 16 foot wide, large. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you've got any pool questions, you know how to help.